If you could earn $10K a month from the comfort of your couch, would you try it? Hey there. Welcome to the world of Amazon book publishing, where you can turn your passion for books into a passive income stream. We're talking about earning up to $10,000 a month, and guess what? You don't need to be a best-selling author to do it. With the Mastering Book Publishing course by Project Life Mastery, you'll learn a proven system to publish books on Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing platform. It's designed for beginners, so even if you've never written a word, you can still succeed. So, how does it work? The course walks you through everything: selecting a profitable niche, creating your book, launching it with a bang, and promoting it effectively. Plus, you'll discover how to outsource tasks so you can focus on scaling your business. And the best part, it's all ethical and sustainable. No shady marketing tactics here. You'll build a reputable brand and provide real value to your readers. Join a community of successful publishers and get the support you need to turn your side hustle into a full-time income. Ready to unlock your inner publisher? Click the link below and start building your publishing empire today. Remember, success is just a book away.